So welcome back to channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to compare the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Mi 11X device. Which phone is the best option to buy? The main reason why I'm making this kind of video is because right now we got to know the price of the Realme GT Neo 2 and Mi 11X device during the Flipkart Diwali sale and during the Amazon sale and the Mi store sale as well. That's what my main idea of making this kind of comparison. So right now you can actually get the Mi 11X device for about close to 20,999 in the Amazon website or maybe 21,999 depending upon the bank offers and discounts, even in the Mi website as well. And Realme GT Neo 2 is available for about 26,999 on the Flipkart website if you use the SBI credit card. So this Mi 11X is a starting base variant is of 6GB RAM variant, which you can actually find in the Mi website or maybe in the Amazon website as well. The price which I did mention. And price for the Realme GT Neo 2 is about 26,999 after using the SBI credit card. You can actually get the discount as well, 26,999. If you don't have the SBI credit card, you can actually get only 3,000 instant discount after applying for this 31,999 rupees. So you will be getting up, I think, around close to 28,999. The price will be there. So 29,000 rupees if you don't have SBI card. If you have the SBI credit card, then you can actually get for about 27,000. So overall, there's a difference of close to maybe 5 to 6,000 or 7,000 difference is there depending upon the offers what you select. So is it worth it to invest that much money on the Realme GT Neo 2 or should you go for the Mi 11X device? So first thing is that both phones they'll be having the Snapdragon 870 chipset, so there's nothing much huge difference in the performance segment you're gonna notice between these both phones. So definitely friends, it will be kind of very close to each other, but once I get hands-on with the Realme GT, I'll definitely do my testing on the GT Neo 2. So stay tuned for those videos. But overall in the performance segment, not a huge difference. And regarding the display, also there is not much difference between both phones because both phones they do have the Samsung's E4 type of AMOLED panel with the same kind of kind of close to 6.62 inch screen size, nothing much huge difference, and 120 Hz refresh rate, 1,300 nits of peak brightness in this Mi 11X device. And the Realme phone has got the 600 Hz touch sampling rate. Mi 11X has got 360 Hz touch sampling rate in this device. That's the one thing which you can definitely see the difference. So slight advantage. And Mi 11X has got slightly kind of black color crush issue. Not all the phones, maybe the old stock phones, it has got the black color crush issue. I did upload the video on black color crush issue, what is the meaning, and you can check that video for more details. So overall in terms of the display, also not a huge difference between both phones. If you ignore the problems, nothing much difference. If you don't ignore the problems, then Realme GT Neo 2 maybe. But I need to do the testings whether this phone has got any kind of those issues or not. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. The biggest plus point for the Realme GT Neo 2 is the battery, so which has got 5,000 mAh of battery and which you can actually game for about close to 8 hours, and charging time is 36 minutes, which is off of the time for the real Mi 11X device. Mi 11X takes about close to 60 minutes, sometimes 55 minutes, 60 minutes, 65 minutes, 70 minutes as well, randomly. But overall in terms of charging speed, the Realme GT Neo 2 has got advantage. Battery backup, 5,000 mAh of battery, so overall you can actually expect maybe 30 to 45 minutes of more screen on time possible maybe in the Realme GT Neo 2 when you compare it with the Mi 11X device. The Mi 11X device will perform really good if you install a lot of custom ROMs, maybe Pixel ROM or OnePlus ROM. So only these are really good options which are available for the Mi 11X smartphone. That's the best thing. So you can actually unlock the bootloader and you can actually install different custom ROMs. So soon I'm trying to plan, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. If possible, I'll definitely try to install. So in terms of the camera segment, also there is not a huge difference. Realme has got 64 8+2 and Mi 11X has got 48+8+5. So 4K 30 FPS is only possible in the Mi 11X device. Realme GT Neo 2 you can actually record 4K 60 FPS also. That's also possible in the Realme GT Neo. So both phones doesn't have any kind of 3.5mm jack, nothing much difference, but 8 5G bands in the Realme GT Neo 2. So 8 5G bands is the plus advantage. Battery is another advantage in the Realme GT Neo 2. And next advantage can be, I think fast charging is also good, kind of same, nothing much huge difference. And even though phone has got 5,000 mAh of battery, but still the weight of the phone is about only 199 grams. That's pretty good in terms of the managing the weight. So all friends, the things which I did like in the Realme GT Neo 2 is more 5G bands, 8 5G bands which is present in this phone, 5,000 mAh of battery, more battery backup and fast charging capabilities. And next thing regarding the cooling system also slightly can be better, but I need to do the practical test, so that's the reason I cannot talk much. So these are the two advantages in the Realme GT Neo 2 which I do feel addressing to you. Camera details I need to compare physically once I get hands-on with the phone. So overall for this kind of differences, is it worth to spend extra money? So it depends upon the user. If you want more battery backup, you can definitely spend on the Realme GT Neo 2. If you want more 5G bands, you can go for this device. But if you ignore those, definitely for 20,000 rupees or 21,000 rupees, what are the price you're buying, MI 11X is also a really good choice. So one of the best advantage why people want to buy the MI 11X device or maybe Poco phones, because they do, and you can actually install a lot of custom ROMs and bootloader unlocking. Nowadays, people are actually getting a lot of awareness among this one, custom ROMs and installing Pixel ROM, OnePlus ROM. That's the reason why they are buying these phones and installing Pixel and OnePlus ROM, and they are using the phone very much efficient and very fast and smooth as well. So that's the one main reason why people are actually buying and preferring this MI 11X device. Basically, MI phones, I mean Poco phones as well. So where that's not that kind of wide range may not be available for the Realme phones at this moment, which is possible for the MI phones and Poco phones. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones, which I ended up concluding in 5 minutes of time, and seeing the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. So price is the advantage and custom ROMs is the advantage in the MI 11X device, and rest of the things 5G and battery backup is the highest in the Realme GT Neo 2. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.